Hey everyone, Extreme Crypto. Been quiet as the markets moved sideways lately, but this morning we woke up to a surprise. The markets jumped from low 30,000s all the way to $38,000 a Bitcoin. Binance futures went up to $48,000, making a week all the way up. So if you do like that movement, hit the like button. So back to what we're here for. I've challenged myself to see how long it's going to take me to get to 1 Bitcoin using the Bitsgap GRIDTRADING bot. I started up with $5,000 and around about 0.14 Bitcoin. As you can see, the Bitcoin amount did go down due to the fact that the markets dropped and some of the coins I'm trading devalued. But the better part is 0.143, which I started with, was $5,000. And currently 0.128 is almost $5,000. Meaning the moment this goes back to my starting amount, I'll see profit in the USD as well. But we go down to my Bitsgap, we'll see 3 of my coins has gone out of range. And the reason for this is the value of Bitcoin went up. That means you need less Bitcoin to have the same value which each different coin was. Not a problem, because the coins usually follow Bitcoin, so they will increase in value over time. Now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to move my grids closer to the market so it can pick up trades and work from the beginning again. Yes, by bringing my grids down, I know I'm going to devalue some of my coins selling, but at least I'll be back in the market and gaining profits immediately. Because the amount I put in here for my target is a set amount, and I'm not currently worrying if I'm going to devalue a little bit. So let's see, we get to XRP. I'm just going to make a note here from my upper line to make sure I get the right one, but I'll show you something as well to make it easy. 0.000.229. So this is currently my upper line. Now I'm going to cancel this bot and close it down. We'll go back here and we'll see all my available XRP will increase as they start cancelling the orders and come back into availability. As it moves up, let's see. So we got 1,640 XRP we can play with. Now, the easiest way, you can just go to spot wallet history and you can click on the current trade that was open. Let's do this example. We'll take another one and then we'll go back to this one currently to give you an example. As you can see, we went to dot back and it opened it at 0.0002290, which we were looking for. I'm going to put my amount of grids back to 50. And now I'm just going to move my lower price right beneath the current price. There's one buy order, perfect. We have how many? 1,640, and it's going to use 1,546. It's all right. We get it back in action and back starting. We did have a little bit of available funds in my available balances, so we're going to use everything as we get all the bots back up and started. XRP is back and running. We'll give it a few seconds to add all the different grids. So some of the trades will be sold in a loss, but at least as it's moving between them, it will gain profits again. I'm just staying in the market because The amount I put in is a set amount which I am willing to work with. I'll give it a second to start up. There we go. XRP ripples underway again. Cardano out of range as well. So let's move Cardano back into range. Let's see, it's 𝙏𝙼𝙬 We'll cancel Cardano. We'll close the bot. We'll see this 0.06, and there the Cardano is coming all the way back to my available balance. We'll let it run all the way. We got the Ripple left, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to sell that Ripple to Bitcoin so we can use it in the Cardano option as well. I'm going to use all available funds between the bots. Let's say market, we're selling all the Ripple. There we go, the order is through. So we've put the Ripple back into Bitcoin. That should refresh any second. XRP, nothing left. So Cardano, we have 732 Cardano. Let's go to the spot. And now we just click here on the Cardano one, and our top order will be the 00004382. Put the grids back to 50. And now we'll just move it down just beneath that. Tell it to use everything available, and we start the bot back up. There we go. So our bot is started on Cardano again. So after Cardano is all done, we'll move back to the next coin. The next one we're going to look at is BNB. BNB has been running pretty nicely and helping us building all the way. We'll give Cardano a few seconds to start up. Then we'll see if there's any Cardano available. Cardano bot is started and underway. We'll refresh our back office on Qcoin, our wallet. And let's see, a little bit of Cardano left. We'll put that back to BTC as well. We'll say market, we'll sell everything currently, and then we can use it for Binance coin. I'm gonna make sure the Cardano will move over. Ethereum is basically nothing. Polkadot is still running and in grids, so we'll sell the Polkadot profit as well to Bitcoin, so we can put everything into the Binance bot we're about to start. We'll say market 100%, sell all the dot. Go back, and this will give us the option to put everything back into the bot. Keep on compounding, keep on building it up. There we go. XRP nothing, Binance is nothing, Cardano nothing, 28 cents on Ethereum and 1 cent on Polkadot, and the rest is in the Binance, in Bitcoin. So let's go to Binance coin, we'll click on it. So our top trade is 008844. We'll cancel the bot, close it down, and we'll go to spot history. We'll click on the Binance bot, and as you can see, it's already at 008844. And then right one? Yes. We'll bring it up down to the current price. Put in 50 grids. Just refresh it. And we are about done. Putting them just in place. The top one is 0.008844. There we go. As we can see, the grid value is too low currently. So we'll just move this down a little bit to give us a range to play with. Back to 50. Just beneath. We'll take it up a little. And we'll bring that down all the way to 0.4. 50 grids, and we're going to take all funds in, and we'll start the bot back up. As you can see, the bot started immediately. It used all our funds. We'll go back here, give it a second to start up. The BNB bot is back up. We'll give it a few seconds to get the orders to get started. We'll get them in place. So I had extra funds, so I added more sell orders to the BNB bot, and I've moved up my sell order limit, and I had a bit of Bitcoin, so I added it downwards to give me a little bit more range. The bot is about to start and will be underway. So all the bots are active again and running. If we go back to the KuCoin to check on the balances, we'll see everything has started. There's $50 worth of BNB available, but I'll let that compound because all the 6 coins I'm trading, I had a value of about $100 available. So I've used that available balance to increase my total trading amount. And now we'll just keep on building, as our goal is to reach the 1 Bitcoin mark. How long will it take? Will I get there? Please hit the like button, leave your comments and concerns, and have a great one.